Here's how to remove or disable saved payment methods on Amazon so your account stays secure. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Log into your Amazon account with your email and password. Hover over Account and Lists at the top right and click Account to access your account settings. On the Your Account page, look for your payments under the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section. Click it. This is where all your saved credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts are stored. You'll now see the Wallet section. Click the payment method you want to remove. Then click Remove, Delete, or Disable, depending on what shows for your card. Confirm the removal when Amazon asks. Scroll to the Merchant Agreements tab. Here you'll find apps or websites that have permission to charge your Amazon payment methods. Click Manage, then Cancel Agreement to stop them from using your card. If you deleted your default card, Amazon may ask you to choose a new one before placing an order. Select a different saved card or leave your wallet empty if you prefer manual checkout each time. For better security, also check Login and Security, update your password, advanced security settings, turn on two-step verification, emails from Amazon, alerts for unusual purchases, and that's it. You've successfully removed or disabled saved payment methods from your Amazon account.